Day 18 of the SCS Shop Advent Calendar. Today we have this marvelous puzzle from Cameron and Soup Timmy. We're going to try and scramble it. Oh, I'm going to scramble it. And I'm going to give it a nice solve. Alrighty, let's see. Let's give it a go. Well, I'm only joking with you. You see, there is no such thing as a GameCube. Only ball. Only sphere. Let's get into it.
Sitting here scrambling it for 2 minutes, and I end up scrambling into the solve position. What in the world? I don't even know. I don't even know if I should even tag myself anymore. Is there a way to scramble this?
Oh! Never again. I'm joking.